Hi, welcome. So today we are focusing on the eyes, and a backstory. As a makeup artist, I used to hate applying eyeshadows for a very long time because this is the technique I used to follow. I would first apply my concealer because that's what we're told to do. So most times I would apply so much because I used to think that the more concealer you applied, the more pigment you get for your eyeshadow. But then that is yet another wrong myth in makeup. So I would do this and come in with my powder eyeshadow, you can see, then try to push it in. They will say don't drag your eyeshadow, rather press it in. So I would press in and pressing and pressing, and the result will not still be flattering. So most times I just used to almost like wish there was a way I could skip my whole eyeshadow process, because I used to put in a lot of work and the result used to be less than flattering like this. Then one day a messiah came in form of my cream lipstick or my concealer palette for the lighter shade. So I'll just take the color of the eyeshadow I want in my lip palette. If you don't have a lip palette, you would have obviously the basic colors for lipsticks, so just make sure you stick to those ones before you get a lip palette. So this is my pink, and I just apply effortlessly, guys. You see, this trick will save you a lot of time and money, and either as a beginner or as a pro you can use it. So once you just apply on the areas that you want, make sure that you tap into every area, and you just go in with your powder eyeshadow. Once you just tap it on it a little, like I'm doing, just a little tap is what you need, and you'll see the pop. Honestly, I am not kidding you guys right here. I don't even know how I got to know about this, but one day I was just like, no, something has to happen. My eyeshadow game has to change, and this just changed it all for me. Anyway, some of you are really lucky with your eyeshadow palettes, because there are some eyeshadow palettes that are really pigmented. But even with this, if you still want more pigment, you can try this method and it will never fail you. See, at this point my eye was already swelling, like I was like, see the difference, see the difference, like come on. So yeah, for the sake of it, I just come in to create a blend for my eyeshadow, so I don't just leave it striking and popping like that, you understand? So I just need to like create a form of transition for it. Then I came in with my black eyeshadow, just my black eyeshadow, to create a transition. And because I'm not a cheat, what I do for A I will do for B. So I just felt okay, let me show you guys, so that you don't say no, it's because I did not do this one well. I decided to come to this side also to create a transition. And you can see I come again with my eyeliner, because obviously what is eyeshadow without eyeliner? So just to finish the look, I came in with my perfect wing liner that if you are interested in, I would also drop a video on how you can do it. And for the under eye, I came again with the trick I used first, the lipstick first, then your powder eyeshadow. Even for the under eye, you want everything to be popping here and there, pop. So the same technique I used for up, I use for down, so that we can make a clean comparison. And guys, this is the hour you have been waiting for. Come on, like, appreciate me, please. Just appreciate me. I deserve it. I deserve the accolades, and I hope that you subscribe to my channel, because there's still more. Honestly, don't forget to drop a comment. It means a lot to me. Like, if you don't have anything to say about this eyeshadow, comment about my skin and run along to my next video. I'll see you there.